Hi guys, today I found really interesting thing that scientists of University of California, Los Angeles have now proved that you can transfer memory through RNA. What is RNA? RNA ribonucleic acid has widely known as a cellular messenger that makes proteins and carries out the DNA instruction or to other part of the cell. It also play a role in vital role in development and diseases. What researchers do? Researchers gave electric shocks to marine snail called aplasia. The snails receive 5 tail shocks, one every 20 minutes and then 5 more 24 hours later. The shock enhances the snail's defensive withdrawal reflex, a response is displays for protection from potential harm. When the researchers subsequently tapped the snails, they found those that had been given the shock displays a defensive contraction that lasted of about 50 seconds, a simple type of learning known as sensitization. Those that had not received the shocks contracted for only about 1 second. The life scientists extracted RNA from the nervous system of many snails that received the tail shocks the day after the second series of shocks, and also from the many snails that did not receive any shocks. Now, the RNA from the first synthesized group was injected into 7 marine snails that had not received any shocks, and the RNA from the second group was injected into a control group of 7 other snails that had also not received any shocks. Remarkably, the scientists found that the 7 that received the RNA from snails that have been given the shock behave as if they themselves had received the tail shock. They displayed a defensive contraction that lasted an average about 40 seconds. It is so we transferred the memory, said Glasman, a member of UCLA Brains Research Institute. As expected, the control group of snails did not receive the lengthy contraction. Next, the researcher added the RNA to petri dishes containing neurons extracted from different snails that did not receive shocks. Some dishes had RNA from marine snails that had been given electric tail shock, and some dishes contained RNA from snails that had not been given shock. Some of the dishes contained sensory neurons and the other contained motor neurons, which in the snail are responsible for the reflex. When a marine snail is given electric shock, its sensory neuron become more excitable. Adding RNA from a marine snail that was not given the tail shock did not produce this increased excitability in sensory neurons. It has been long thought that memories are stored in synapses. Glasman hold a different view, believing that memories are stored in the nucleus of neuron. If memories were stored at synapse, there is no way our experiment would have worked, said Glasman, member of University of California, Los Angeles. It is now possible that we can use this RNA to awake and restore memories that have been gone dormant in the early stages of Alzheimer's disease. This research could lead to new ways to treat traumatic memories with RNA and perhaps new ways to restore memories. Thanks for watching.